Hey everybody, I'm back. So this would be, it's video 6. I don't know if it's called step 6, and I'll explain why. So I'm going to share my screen. You've seen this has been uploaded, so all this stuff should be available in the link in my bio. So just look around. I don't know what platform you're watching this on, but I'm making this all available for everybody to use. No gatekeeping here, so this is all there, but I'm going to show you on my screen anyway, so we can kind of walk through it and see. So if you've watched my previous videos, you know that right now I have a 12-week AI customer service consulting plan to becoming an AI consultant for customer service. Very excited about this, and when I last left off, I was going to start going through all of this material, starting with week 1. And as we see here, what I decided to do was I kind of show you what you can get out of it. So week 1, we had Google's Introduction to AI, 45-minute class, very detailed, very technical. Took about 45 minutes, and you get a nice little completion badge, as you can see there, so to show that I completed it. Yay me. And then we went on to Andrew Nigg's AI for Everyone on Coursera. Now, free to audit, as you can see there, which means you can sign up for it. I think it was $47, and it allows you to take a test at the end, and then you get like probably a badge if you pass it. But if you do the audit piece of it, it's free to learn all the material. So that's all I did. Keep it free. Right now, you can see it broke it up into 4 different weeks. He was very entertaining. Again, very detailed. A lot about machine learning, a lot about data science, all that kind of stuff. All the back end course foundation stuff that you need to be an AI consultant. But you can see the length of it there. Different weeks. Now, I went through it different days. I didn't wait weeks, but I went through all of the material within there, and that one was pretty good. Then the next one was IBM's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Again, free to audit, so you didn't have to pay, but ultimately it was four modules, which took over 5 hours and 6 minutes. They probably did it in weeks too, but you're talking about introduction to AI applications, the concepts, the terminology, application domains, business career transformation through AI, issues, concerns, and ethical considerations around AI. Again, a lot of information. That's why I haven't posted this in a while. I went through all of that, and very technical, but good. And the good news about this is probably anybody. So again, my industry or my department that I'm looking for is customer service or contact centers, whereas you might be in some other type of industry. This type of information in this 12-week period is relevant to anybody. So as we go through this, it's very helpful for you. But once I did that, I was all excited, and I came here, and here is, this is the progress plan. So what I decided to do was come back over here. Is that the progress one? Let me see here. Switch it to this one. And when we got into it, that was my progress report, but this is the actual original document. These customer service links did not work. I tried everything. I searched for them. I looked for how AI is transforming customer service, a Harvard Business Review article. Can't find it. And that became a constant theme as I went throughout the entire 10-week plan. The technical AI information was all there, and you can go through all that. So I'm going to leave this up there for everybody. Those of you who aren't in the customer service and are using this for something else, that's there. Use those courses if you're following the same plan. But what I found was when it got into specific for customer service, very little of these things were available. In week 3, this stuff is available, but it's not specific to customer service. It says effective prompting for customer service. It's effective prompting, but not specifically for customer service. So what I did in this document, you'll find, is I just basically lined them out, right? Because they're not there. They don't work. You can see that. So this is up there for you. Yes, Zendesk, the AI features, that was there. Like I said, some of the customer service, very small, maybe 1%, 2%, the Zendesk stuff was all there. But all of this other stuff, all of the learning resources that are laid out here are there. So if you're looking for AI assessment frameworks and ROI models, all of that learning resources are there. But when you want to apply them to customer service, that's not available. So that was disappointing. But again, if you're not using it for customer service, use this. And what you're going to have to do, and what I ended up doing, and I'll show in a different video, is you have to design it specific to your industry now. So I had all of this. So let's go back up here, and I will walk you through what I ended up creating in the next video. But now I had to go back and redesign all of this specific to customer service. So I'll show you that in the next video, so I can keep these videos somewhat short. But that's where we are. Great technical information. A lot of it, all of it's free. I'm sure you have to sign up and give out your email and stuff like that, but it'll really help you build that foundation for AI and language learning models, all that stuff, good stuff. So check it out and come back for the next video, which I'll dive in a little bit deeper of what I ended up creating, and it'll be my final video. So stick around and check it out. I don't know.